Marie from wisdompreserved.life, and as I'm preparing to do the Mittleider method of gardening, there's a couple of preparatory steps that I need to do, and one of those is to make the pre-plant fertilizer. For the pre-plant fertilizer, all you need is a scale with a large enough bowl, and make sure that it's zeroed out for the size of your bowl. You'll also need some kind of a bucket. I really like doing the 5-gallon buckets with the gamma lids because then they're easier to get into later. You also need gypsum, Epsom salt or magnesium sulfate, and boron or borax. Measure out 20 pounds of the gypsum. This is the pelletized variety. It's a little easier to work with. You could use the powder if you wanted though. I may have to dump it before I overfill my bowl. I'm getting close. Alright, I think we'll just about be able to do it. You might have to do it in 2 passes though. There we go. So we've got 20 pounds of the gypsum. Next, it requires 1 pound of the Epsom salt, which is just slightly shy of 2 cups there, it looks like. And then we need 4 ounces of the borax. Mix it all together. And then you have your Mittleider Preplant Fertilizer all mixed up and ready to go.